In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a newsletter using Mailchimp. Newsletters are a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged, share updates, and promote your content. So let's dive right into the process, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to go to Mailchimp. If you haven't already done so, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Mailchimp's website. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account. But for those who already have one, just log in with your usual credentials. Now that you're all set up on Mailchimp, it's time to move over to the Campaigns section. This is essentially the heart of Mailchimp where all your newsletters and email campaigns will live. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled Create that's nicely positioned for you to get started on crafting your newsletter. After clicking Create, you'll be prompted to name your email campaign. It's always good to choose a name that's clear and descriptive, something that will help you recognize what this particular newsletter is about at a glance. Following this, we're looking to select an email type. For this example, we'll go with a fully designed template. It's worth noting that these templates are a fantastic resource because they offer a solid design framework, which means you don't have to start from scratch. Instead, you can build on a professionally designed foundation, ensuring your newsletter not only looks great, but also functions well. Now let's dig a little deeper into our options. Once you've selected the fully designed template, you will want to search for newsletter templates. Mailchimp has a wide variety of templates available, each offering different styles and layouts, so it's worth taking a moment to explore these options and choose one that aligns with your brand and message. Once you find that perfect design, click to select it, and this will lead you into the design editor where the real fun begins. Here in the design editor, you can customize your newsletter to your heart's content. You'll be able to add your text, images, links, and other elements that will make your newsletter shine and effectively communicate your desired message. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, you're ready to proceed. And just like that, you're done. Once you've sent out your newsletter, you'll be able to monitor its performance via Mailchimp's analytics, perfect for refining your approach in the future. Thanks for joining this tutorial on creating a Mailchimp newsletter, and happy emailing.